Ready to open an assisted living home in Arizona? Picture it, sunshine, smiles, and a business that makes a true difference. Let's dive into the fun and profitable steps to get started in Arizona. Assisted living facilities in the state are regulated by the Arizona Department of Health Services. Arizona categorizes each facility based on the level of care that they provide, such as supervisory care, personal care, or directed care for residents with memory issues like Alzheimer's. You'll need to decide which services you plan to provide and which category your home will fall under, because it will determine your licensing requirement and operational structure. Arizona also requires all facilities to meet safety and care standards, including proper staffing ratios and facility accessibility features. Once you understand the regulatory framework, now it's time to create a solid business plan that outlines your goals, target market, services, pricing, and financial projections. For example, will your facility focus on general assisted living or specialized care, such as memory care? You'll also need to estimate startup costs, including property purchase or renovations, licensing fees, staff salaries, and of course, ongoing operational expenses. Arizona's competitive assisted living market means you'll need a well-defined strategy to attract residents. You should consider offering unique amenities, personalized care plans, or specialized services to set your facility apart. Next, you'll need to secure a location for your assisted living home. Arizona law requires assisted living facilities to comply with strict zoning regulations. So start by consulting your local zoning office to be sure your chosen property falls within those laws. The location should be safe, accessible, and appealing to both seniors and their families. Your building must also meet Arizona's safety standards, including fire safety systems, emergency exits, and accessible features like ramps and handrails. If you're planning on converting an existing home, you may need to make renovations to comply with these regulations. You'll need to apply for a license through the ADHS and provide detailed information about your facility, including its layout, staffing plans, and services. Arizona also requires assisted living home administrators to complete a specific training program and pass a certification exam. This ensures that administrators have the knowledge and skills to manage the facility effectively and provide quality care. Now, you don't have to be the administrator, but this is someone you're hiring, so keep in mind they do need to be licensed. Additionally, your facility will need to pass an inspection by the ADHS to be sure it meets compliance with state regulations before you can open your doors. I personally own and operate 3 care homes in Arizona, and let me tell you, it's an amazing place to do business. I break down how to really get started in this next video right here on YouTube, so check it out and make sure to keep following us for more tips on assisted living. Staffing is another key aspect of running an assisted living home. In Arizona, caregivers must complete state-approved training programs and obtain certifications to make sure that they are qualified to provide care. Depending on the size and type of your facility, you may also need to hire licensed professionals like nurses or therapists to meet residents' needs. When you begin hiring, I want you to look for individuals who are not only skilled, but are also patient, they're also kind, they're also compassionate, and they love seniors. Keep in mind the quality of your staff is going to directly impact the experience of your residents and the reputation of your facility. Marketing is going to play a huge role in attracting residents. Start by building an amazing website with really high quality photos and videos. They're going to want to see what your home looks like. Highlight your services, your mission, your amenities, who you are, and what you're bringing to the market. Really narrow down to what makes your home stand out. That's what they want to see. That's what they want to know. Another great way to market your home is by networking with local healthcare providers, senior centers, and community organizations, or partnering with a referral agent. In Arizona, many families search for assisted living options online. So investing in digital marketing, including search engine optimization and social media advertising, can be highly effective in our market. Hosting open houses and tours is another great way to build trust and connect with potential residents and their families. You want as many people through the door as you can get. After you've opened your assisted living home, your focus should shift to maintaining quality care and compliance. Arizona law requires facilities to undergo regular inspections and meet ongoing training requirements for support. It's important to stay proactive about compliance to ensure your facility remains in good standing with the ADHS and avoids any potential fines or penalties. That's a big one. Opening an RAL in Arizona is an amazing way to serve seniors and cash flow well, what we call doing good and doing well. And if you're serious about getting started and doing this, keep following us to continue the learning together. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now.